Let us start the lesson Materials, Metals and Non-Metals on page 57 and 58. We have been discussing about physical properties of metal. Now we are going to discuss about some physical properties of metal like ductility, conductivity, sonority, melting point and boiling point. What is ductility? It is the property of metal that metals can be drawn into thin wire. The next physical property of metal is conductivity. Metals conduct heat and electricity. Metals like silver, copper, aluminum are the best conductor of electricity. This is the reason these metals are being used in all the electrical appliances. But metal mercury is a poor conductor of heat. Look at this first circuit. The key is connecting two wires of the circuit. What will happen? The circuit is ready, so the bulb will glow because key is a metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Metals are sonorous. When we strike the metals with any stick or any other material, these metals make clinking or singing sound. Metals are having high melting and boiling point, except soft metals like sodium and potassium. They are having low melting point. Now let's move on to the activity 4, which shows that metals are good conductors of heat. Here the materials required are a wooden rod and a metal rod. On a cold day, you are going to touch both these rods, metal rod and a wooden rod. Which rod appears to be more colder? Definitely it is a metal rod appears to be much colder than wooden rod. This is because metals are good conductor of heat. While touching, this metal rod conduct heat from our body. Non-metal wooden rod does not conduct heat. Now let's move on to physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals exist in all the three different states of matter. Some are solid, some are liquid, and others are gases. Carbon C, phosphorus P4, sulfur S8 are solid nonmetals, whereas only liquid nonmetal is bromine, and oxygen, hydrogen, and these all are gases. Nonmetals do not having lustrous property except graphite, diamond, and iodine. Nonmetals are non-malleable and non-ductile. Nonmetals are poor conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. Graphite conduct heat and electricity. Non-metals have low melting and boiling points except diamond. Non-metals are soft except diamond. When these non-metals are beaten with a hammer, they shows brittle property. That means on beating, these non-metals are broken into small pieces. Activity 5 is to show electrical conductivity of metals. The materials required for this activity are two pieces of copper wire, a bulb, pencil cell, and a blade. Now connect two ends of the blade to the two copper wires. Then these wires are connected to the cell. In between the cell and the blade, there is a bulb. After this setup, the circuit is ready and the bulb glows brightly. Why? Because this blade is a metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Now you are going to study the different characteristics features of metals and non-metals. We have discussed these all properties. This is the homework for you. Write down these all in your copy and learn it.